So that is the 350 scale Kronos 1 to wrap up the video. It's based on the Star Trek VI Klingon cruiser from AMT Ertl back in 1991. And that is the year that I saw my first Star Trek movie in theaters, The Undiscovered Country itself. So that's all for this week for Sean's Model Builds. I will be going on Christmas break. Saturday, I'll go visit my parents, so I'll be away for a week or two. So you might, but when I come back in the new year, that's when you'll see the model build videos, and there's 5 of them based on the weeks in which I did work on them, on model number 40. And I've been very careful, except on these specific Facebook groups, not to give any details on what model number 40 is. It's not the RoboCop kit, which you can see here. That's going to be model number 41, because model 42 is actually going to be the Wrath of Khan refit Enterprise with the gray trim. Of course, I've already unboxed those videos. I mean, those models. You've already seen them unboxed. So the Enterprise and the Reliant, and then model number 44, I'll probably start getting into the Christmas presents, starting with the Anson Mount 1000 scale Discovery Enterprise. And then, of course, there's the DS9 space station, which is probably behind here. So that's this will be the last video of the year for Sean's Model Builds of 2023. I know I still didn't quite get Voyager done, either one of them. But I'll see what I can do to finish that up. I'm pretty well down to the side decals now. And we'll go from there. Oh, and when I do model number 42, I already have the Aztec decals for it, specifically from the new Wrath of Khan 1000 scale set. And this is a creation models again when I do the refit, and I'm going to try to color at least the saucer decals with the golden iridescent paints. You've seen those before. They're here, but I'm not using these interference ones. I'm using the ones that are just the plain primary colors, like the blue. It doesn't flip-flop from blue to green or green to orange. All right, so I'll talk to you all later. Have a good Christmas break, have a good New Year, and we'll see you in Eyebrow 2024. Bye-bye.